Ever feel like the journey from a brilliant idea to a functional prototype is a bottleneck? You are not alone. Transforming something from a concept to a functional prototype is super slow at this moment. You have to go through a lot of processes and you have to do a lot of iterations. That's where comes AI product design. AI is fundamentally changing the way we work. We often talk about AI will replace human, but it's not. AI will supercharge the entire product design space. Imagine when you are doing some kind of a PRD, it takes 2-3 days, even in a week to come up with the PRD. Now, through the power of AI, you can cut down that at least 90% of your time. It can generate PRD within 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can do the iterations. The fundamental point here is that with AI, you can cut down your time, you can reduce your overall cost, and you can come up with the entire functional prototype or the MVP with the power of AI. In this workshop, you will learn how to create PRD or the FRD, which is basically product requirement document and the functional requirement document. Then you will get to learn how you can take this PRD or the FRD for the next level to create low fidelity or the high fidelity functional prototype. And then with that functional prototype, you can go and check with your stakeholders to get further feedback, and then you can come back again and do the refinement, and this whole process will be super fast. Now, why we will do this? Because this will help you to take a decision whether you want to develop a full-fledged application with these concepts or the iterative version of this concept. So this will help you to make a decision that what kind of things you want to do in actual development. So who is this workshop for? If you are involved of any sorts of product development, solutions or service, especially for the product folks who are aiming for the faster validation, the designers who are aiming for creating quick prototype, and also the engineers who are looking for creating fastest MVP, and as well as who are the innovators who are actually looking for the market validation as soon as possible. Wanted to take your design process next level? Join me to turn your idea into prototype using generative AI.